Hey, it's Susie from Hey Grill Hey. I am here with Kingsford and Char-Griller for Barbecue 101. Today, we're gonna be talking about controlling the heat in your grill or smoker, knowing the temperature that you're cooking at, manipulating those coals, getting the exact results you want. Can take a little bit of practice, but I'm here to walk you through it. The first thing to know about controlling the temperature on your grill really comes down to charcoal placement. The closer your charcoal is to the food, the higher the temperature, the faster things are going to cook. For example, in the Smoke and Champ specifically, there's an adjustable charcoal tray. It allows you to raise or lower the charcoal, letting that high heat experience come in closer contact with your food, or moving it further away puts a lot more control in your hands. If you don't have grates that raise or lower in your grill at home, one way that you can set up your charcoal is by creating heat zones. And this gives you the opportunity to cook either with direct high heat or indirect low heat. It's really commonly referred to as two-zone cooking. You push your charcoal into one specific area of your grill. That's your high direct heat. It's great for searing, things like burgers or finishing off a steak with those really nice sear marks. The other part of your grill without the charcoal is going to give you an indirect cooking experience. Lower temperatures, really no risk of burning things because there's no hot coals underneath. This is great for thick cuts or things that you want to start cooking at a lower temperature and then move over to the high heat at the end. It's also perfect for baking. Another thing that has a huge impact on your ability to control the heat and temperature of your grill is airflow. More air equals more heat, and every charcoal grill or cooker has a way for you to be able to control that airflow, because it's crucial. You wanna know if you're adding more air, you're gonna get a higher temperature cook. On the Smoke and Champ specifically, we've got some dampers on the side and an adjustable smokestack. It allows you to control how much air is coming in and leaving the smoker. It sounds complicated, but truly all you need to know is more air equals more heat. The last thing that really can have a massive impact when it comes to controlling the temperature on your grill is the outside elements. If it's windy, if it's cold, you're gonna be battling that a little bit to maintain the temperature inside of your grill. But there are ways that you can combat it. First thing you wanna do is start with a little bit more charcoal. Additional fuel will help counterbalance some of what nature is trying to do to the heat inside of your smoker. It's really just an energy shift. If it's cold outside, that's gonna transfer. So a little bit more fuel goes a long way. You're probably also going to have to add more fuel more frequently when it's cold outside. If you're battling wind, the best thing you can do is put your grill in an area that's a little bit sheltered. A nice windbreak can prevent a lot of fluctuation because as the wind blows, and we know air equals heat, it can push air into your grill and drive your temperatures into fluctuations that you really don't want. I honestly think that controlling the temperature on your grill and learning how that looks for the type of fuel you're using and the type of grill that you have is gonna be one of the key indicators for your overall grilling and barbecue success. It's really similar to how you have a favorite burner on your stovetop. It's because it's the one that you use the most. So the more you cook outside, the more you play around with heat, with vent settings, with how much charcoal you use, the better you're going to get. And the good thing with barbecue is the more you practice, the more delicious food you get to eat.